Hello everyone, my project is the earthquake detection alarm. This project has some parts: introduction, purpose of the project device, implementation of the project photos. Let's start with introduction. Human history has faced many natural disasters. Technological development has enabled us to be more prepared for new natural disasters. These technological developments mostly include the early alert. For example, our aerologs research the sky and detect the storm and hurricane. Uh, this type of natural disaster can detect early, but the earthquake has no early detection, has no early guess. They have some guess. We know the some plate of the Earth, but not have the exact time and exactly size of the earthquake. So people couldn't escape from the earthquake as like the hurricane. Purpose of this project can't detect the earthquake. This project points is quick response for the earthquake. When the earthquake happens, people usually they to understand the situation. They stay in where they are. They try to be sure for vibration is the most dangerous time in earthquake because no one knows the size of the vibration and no one cannot guarantee the buildings will be destroyed. This alarm is alert the people at this point, so people can decrease the response time and they save their life easily. On the other hand, after the big earthquake, the rescue teams searched the people under the buildings wrecked. At this point, rescue teams' time is limited because they uh, search the old wrecks and try to hear the people. If they know the people count under the buildings, they can't search more faster and safely because if you find the third people under the building, you search fourth people. You don't know how many people under the buildings. You you search the all areas, all buildings. Sometimes you save the third people, the fourth people you didn't hear, and he lost their life, his life. Like this situation, this project, sending the email, the people's family or close friends, also the rescue teams when the earthquake starts. So the rescue teams knows the people counts under the buildings. They search them. They try to reach them, and when they serve, they save the extraction under the building. They searched another building, which is the destroyed. Like this situation, this project will be more helpful for the other detection methods or the other protection methods. Project device. Uh, I use the Arduino Uno, one Wi-Fi module, one acceleration sensor, one LED, one buzzer, and one power bank. The Wi-Fi module has the optional. I think uh, I try to use. I want to use the GSM module, but the GSM module didn't see the uh, trustable because the when the earthquake starts, the GSM modules will be uh, crashing after the earthquakes. Also, the GSM modules can't reach the signals under the buildings, but Wi-Fi models can reach the close surfing Wi-Fi because they can be portable, uh, has the portable Wi-Fi devices. Also, I use the power bank. I explain the later. Implementation of the project. First, to connect the Arduino and acceleration sensor and adding the code for the acceleration sensors, calibration and measurements. Because when the shaking starts, acceleration module count the angle and acceleration. So activated the LED and buzzer. So the people see the alert from using the eyes and using the ear. Secondly, the connection to Wi-Fi model are because Wi-Fi model when the shaking starts, big big chance to available for web connection. After the shaking continue, the instruction not enough, probably destroyed, so web connection will be lost. But it's not important after that because the email will be sent when they start to shaking. Finally, I added the power bank because when the person under the building and injured, probably he can't scream, he didn't say anything, or he can't reach their voice. So the buzzer will be on with power bank. The person can make a noise with buzzer when it's shake the project. The buzzer will be activated. Just not connection for Wi-Fi. Also, the LED be on and vertical. The rescue team can see the people. Uh, Connection schemas. Uh, Top of the photo, connection of the Wi-Fi model. It's used 3.3 volts for the power. Also, connection for the TX pin to TX pin, RX pin to RX pin, both of them, Arduino to Wi-Fi model. The acceleration sensor is the much more different because SCL connection to A analog 5 pin, SDA connection to analog 4 pin. Also integer connected to to 12 second pin. Also, the acceleration sensor used 5 volts. This is my project photos. It's opened because I have some problem with some parts. I didn't connect the Wi-Fi model. I tried many ways, but it's not work. Maybe it's fried, but because I give the 5 volt and it will be very hot. After that, the buzzer and LED will be working, but when I checked the last time, they are dead, so I couldn't replace them. But the acceleration sensor working great, little bit because when the shaking starts, it's calibrate yourself, but not respond to shaking. The For this project half completed, but I will work on them some we will see. Thank you for attention. My project is done. Have a good day.